The coffee's cold where your cup once stayed. My hands still reach for your ghost each day. You used to breathe next to me like fire. Now I burn alone in your quiet desire. And I don't blame you for the fall. I built these walls, I made them tall, but I tear them down with blood and pain. If you just whisper my name again. Was there something I could have said to stop the rain inside your head? You were drowning right beside me and looked the other way instead. Now I scream into the silence, but it never sounds the same. Your goodbye left me dying like ashes in the rain. You said you feared my arms would pull you back, that love would bend you till you cracked. So I stood still like a man should do, but I died each time I looked at you. I watched you fight what I had broke, wore guilt like chains and lies like smoke. Now I write our names in shattered glass, hoping this darkness too shall pass. Was there something I could have said to stop the bleeding words you bled? You were screaming through the silence, and I held my breath instead. Now I talk to shadows nightly, but they never spell your name. Your goodbye keeps rewinding like ashes in the rain. If you ever turn to find me, I won't beg, but I won't hide. You deserve to walk in sunlight, not this grief I keep inside. So if love still flickers faintly, if there's fire beneath your pain, you'll find me where I'm waiting, in the ashes in